Hi, and welcome back to some fun and laughs on the Answering Machine round.
What is the answering machine?
What is this?
Well, this is a round where I'm going to ask you some very funny questions, fun questions, I should say.
Okay.
And you have to answer them right.
I'm good at these things, you know.
So
Yeah.
Very
whoever
good.
wins
Yes.
I'm
gets
winning
this
this.
one hamper.
I'm winning.
I am.
Ah.
You want to take a bet?
Bets?
The bet is if I win, you give me the hamper. If you win, you give me the hamper. Take a bet. Come on.
That's a
Let's
good,
take a
good
it's a good bet.
bargain.
Okay, the first round is a simple question that are film related.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I'm sure you'll be very good at those, okay?
Okay.
Now, let's go on to Dia first. Which country does Dino have his roots in?
Array,
Very
such a
easy.
difficult question.
I know.
I'll never be able to answer
No,
it.
she's got to answer.
Italy.
Right. Now, Dino, it's your turn.
Okay.
What is the title that Dia won in a beauty pageant in 2000?
So I know she was part of the Miss India pageant. Yeah, you Miss Earth,
That
Con-
was thought.
Miss Congenia, Miss World. She won Miss Universe World. She won one of those beauty pageants.
She did,
right?
but you don't know which one.
There were three, right?
Yeah.
Or Miss Environment or something, right? There's Miss Universe, Miss World,
Huh.
and what's the third one? That's the one you won, right? Miss Earth, something,
No, but in
congeniality.
2000, what did I
In
win?
2000.
In 2000, I didn't win any of these things you think I've won.
What did you
Okay,
win?
no points for him. Let's move on to the next
Well,
question.
maybe
We'll
I'm
never
just
get it.
curious.
The
What-
answer is Miss Asia Pacific. And she
No,
won
no,
the
no,
title
impossible.
of Miss Beautiful Smile, right?
Yes.
No, come on.
Yes.
She's bigger than Asia Pacific. I
Yeah.
knew she won on a world
She
platform.
should have, but
It
maybe
was
she
a
No.
world platform, Dodo.
Asia Pacific is just there. I knew you were bigger than that. So I
Oh,
see.
right.
I need a point for that.
Right.
Okay,
You know, she
we'll think
deserves
about
better.
that. We'll think about that. Now, the next question. Which title did Dino win before he entered films?
Glad Rags, Manhunt.
You gave it up. Couldn't help.
Yeah.
One more question for Dino. What is the name of the production house that Dia started?
The production house, right?
Yeah, he's thinking.
Yeah.
You know the answer.
Of course I know it.
Of course
yeah?
you know the
Okay.
answer. It's
it's
a
on the-
movie I saw when I was a child and I was very inspired by the film.
Yeah.
But he's still not getting it.
Okay, it has to do with lions.
Lion King. No, wait. I'll tell you. Born Free.
Born.
I was going to say Girls Gone Crazy or something. But all right.
Okay.
So Born Free,
Born
productions
Free.
and
Productions,
reproductions. Productions.
Dino has done 2 films which rhyme. Which are the names of those films?
Yeah, I know that.
Raz.
Yeah.
And?
Raz.
And-
Baz, Bird in Danger. Of course. You know, I was offered that film.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Folks, they're doing pretty well, huh?
You should have done
I
it.
know.
It was a lovely story, you know.
Of course.
Okay,
That
Dino.
answer winning.
Dia is a mixture of 2 nationalities.
I'm good at this.
Indian and.
I'm good at this. Just wait. Oh my God, really? Yeah, it's good. It's German, I see, you know.
He knew it.
Yeah,
Okay,
of
one
course he
full
did.
point for you.
Ask
Of
him what my
course.
surname is. My German surname.
That is not
That's not the
whole
question. No, just
Come
Again,
on.
you're going back. Who won this round now?
I won it.
Hey,
No.
I just answered the question. I won it.
No,
No.
in this round, I think both of you were equal.
Yeah, because
No.
yeah. We're
Yeah,
always
because
equal.
He got 2 answers correctly.
Yeah, DM, same birthday, we're equal.
But there's still one more round to go.
Oh.
Really?
Yes.
I see it coming towards me, so let's go for it.
There is quite a colorful festival in Spain
Tomatoes.
on the name of the
Pompadours.
name of a
Tomatina.
vegetable.
Tomatina.
Tomatoes.
Tomatina.
Tomatoes.
Tomatina.
I said tomatoes. I said tomatoes.
What is the name of the festival?
Tomatina.
Tomatina is the name of the
Festival.
He said, I asked first the
The
vegetable.
vegetable.
Banana.
So we share. Okay, one, two.
Okay, share.
Half.
Share.
You get half, I get half.
Okay.
Okay.
Now the second question, all right? How many types of potatoes are there in the world and where do they come from?
One.
South America. Potatoes come
How
from
many
South America.
types of potatoes?
Potatoes come from South America.
Two potato.
I
How many
answered
types?
the
How many
question.
types? How many types?
The potatoes
How-
come from South America.
How many
and they're
types are there?
Wait, na. There must be like thousands.
No, two.
No. There must
One
be-
is sweet and
Shall
not
I
so
give
sweet.
you the answers?
Am I wrong?
Potatoes, there are 5,000
I said
varieties.
1,000. But I said
5,000 is not 1,000. Thousands and 5,000.
And 4,000 of them
Come from?
are grown in
South America.
South America.
I got,
But she got half a
I
point
got
because she got South
3/4
America.
of the answer.
She got
right.
South America.
Three-fourths.
No, South America, half.
You
Such a
didn't get
cheater.
anything.
Yeah.
Cheater.
You said
Okay.
one.
Cheater.
Okay.
I got the first answer right also. He just
I
cheated.
know one aloo, yeah.
So what do? Give it to...
Me.
No, nobody at this time. But
Yeah.
actually, you know, in the totality, there's one more last question which is going to balance a
Okay,
little
everything.
bit. So
Because
let's
I'm
go for
leading
that.
right now. And
No, you're
No,
not.
you're not leading. You're 2 points behind.
Only your dimples are leading.
Go for it,
We
go
know.
for it, go for it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Every time you mail a letter in the post office, you gain calories. Why?
Because you lick the stamp, and that's why it's got a little sweetener
We
on it.
won it!
Yeah, well done.
Ta-da!
Well
But shall I
Well
tell you
done.
something?
Please.
But anyway, he's still behind 1 point, so the hamper will have to go to Dia.
I mean, no.
What
I
do you
mean,
It goes to me.
Okay?
Yes,
Oh,
yes, yes.
So Dia,
I'll share it with
get
you.
the
I promised you I'll share it with you.
hamper. It's very heavy, so.
Thank you. That's sweet. Thank
But
you.
because of his special dimples,
Yeah.
we shall give him 1 too. Okay?
Oh, that's
so
so
this is
sweet.
one
Thank
hidden for you, which is very
He's
heavy.
taking
too.
both.
So that was
See,
good
such
about
a-
He's
Thank you.
put the hampers in such a way that he can come
Sit
closer
closer
to
to me.
you. See?
I'm good like that.
The tricks of the
Don't you
trade,
know?
I tell
I'm
you.
good. I'm a smooth operator. They
Yeah,
don't call
yeah.
me smooth for nothing.
But we're not like, we catch on, you know.
We'll share one dabba of biscuits.
Only one?
Yeah.
You guys have been so good on this show and made me laugh and laugh and laugh. I can't thank you enough.
Thank
We've
you.
had so much
had
We
a
fun.
had a
great-
great time, and thank you for having us here. It was
Thank
delicious.
you so much.
Pleasure,
Thank
pleasure.
you, really.
Thank you, Zarine. You're
Thank-
looking lovely.
Thank you.
Now, darling, should we go home?
Such a brat.
I hope you enjoyed the show with my good-looking guests. So keep waiting and watching me on Spices and Secrets.